Hi there, we are back again with the third Sudoku in the additional of today's newspaper on Friday, June the 2020, the 5th, sorry, Friday, June the 5th, 2020. Look, Friday, June 2020. Alright, so the third Sudoku is a 3-star Sudoku. I hope this is a 3 stars because sometimes it's a hard one, sometimes it's an easy one. So let's see. Alright, good. Let's get started. We see a 4 in the last column, a 4 in the column next. So in that column, the only place for the 4 should be here. Then I cannot continue with the 4. Let me see. How about the number 3? 3 in this column, 3 in the column next. So in that column, the last column, the only 2 places for the 3 should be here or there. I see here 3, no 3 there, 3 should be here. And then we go to the number 8. In this big square, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 missing numbers. One of the missing number is a 6. We see here 6. No 6 in these 3 boxes. There are 6, so no 6 in those 3 boxes. So the 6 could be here or could be there. In this column, we have 2. One of those 2 boxes is a 6. In the last column, we have a 6 over there. So in the column between, the only 2 places for the 6 should be here or there. But I see here 6, no 6 there. 6 should be here. Alright, in this big square, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 missing numbers. One of the missing numbers is a 6. We see here 6. So no 6 in these 3 boxes. There are 6. No 6 in those 3 boxes. 1 box left for the 6 should be here. So now we have, I have marked this with a 6 in one of those 2 boxes. Now I see there are 6, so this cannot be 6 anymore. This should be the 6. Alright. Now I cannot continue with the 6. I need another number. How about the number 2, 7? Alright, 2. Yes. It's not making me easy. 2, 6. 2. I'm thinking. 3, 7, 2. No, it's not easy, this one. So, if it's taking too long, then I will mark some boxes because one. Okay. So we have the 1, the 5, and the 4. Yes! Alright. I see we have a 1 here. So in this column, no 1 in these two boxes. So the 1 could be here or could be there. In this big square, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 missing numbers. 3 of those missing numbers, the 1, the 5, and the 4 cannot be in these two boxes. So the 1, the 4, and the 5 goes in those 3 boxes. 1. Yes, that means these 2 boxes are left for the 8 and the 9. We have a 9 here, no 9 there. 9 should be here and the 8 goes there. Yes, alright. Now we have a 9 in the first column, 9 in the second column. So in the third column, the only 2 places for the 9, here or there, but I see here 9. No 9 there, 9 should be here. Then yeah. Wow. 7 and the 9, we missing the 2 and the 8. Yes, these 4 missing numbers in this column, the missing numbers are the 2, the 7, the 8, and the 9. And look, we have a 7, 8, and a 9. So this cannot be in this box. So 1 digit left for the 2. With a 2 here, the 1, we need a 9 and a 7. 9 and a 7 in these 3 boxes. Alright, but we have a 2. That means 2 in this row, 2 in the row below. So in the last row, the only place for the 2 should be there. 2 missing numbers in the last row should be the 1 and the 7. I marked them. It's a pair. That means 1 digit left for the 9. Here we have 2 digits left in this column for the number 7 and the 8. We have a 7 here, no 7 there. 7 should be here and the 8 goes there. Alright. 1 and a 7. 2 in this row, 2 in the middle row, so in the row below. The only place for the 2 should be here. 5, 9. Yes. 3 missing numbers. One of the missing numbers is a 9. We see here 9, so no 9 there. So the 9 could be here or could be there. In the middle row, we have a 9 in one of those 2 middle. places. We have a 9 over there in the row above. So in that row, the only 3 places for the 9 should be here, here, or there. I see here 9, no 9 there. Here 9, no 9 there. Only place for the 9 should be here. 3 missing numbers now in this row for the numbers 1, the 3, and a 5. 1, 3, and a 5. And look, we have a 1 and a 3 here. So 1 digit left for the number 5. 2 missing numbers, the 1 and the 3. We have a 1 here, so no 1 there. 1 should be here, and the 3 goes there. 7, 7, the 8 is missing, and the 4 is missing. All right. This row. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 missing numbers. One of the missing numbers is a 3. We see here 3, no 3 there. 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 The only place for the 3 should be there. 3 in this row, 3 in the third row, so in the row between the second row. The only 2 places for the 3, here or there, but I see here 3, no 3 there, 3 should be here. 3 in this column, 3 in the second column, so in the third column, the only 2 places for the 3 should be here or there, but I see here 3, no 3 there, 3 should be here. And all the 3's are used, I can see, yes. Alright. Yes, 9999. Yeah. 3 missing numbers now in this big square. One of the missing numbers is a 1. We see here 1, so no 1 in these 2 boxes. We have a 1 here. So 1 box left for the 1 should be there. 2 numbers left in this big square for the numbers 4 and 5. We see here 4, no 4 there. 4 should be here, and the 5 goes there. 2 numbers left in this row for the numbers 1 and 6. We have a 1 here, no 1 there. 1 should be here, and the 6 goes there. 6 in this column, 6 in the middle column, so the column next, the only 2 places for the 6 here or there, but I see here 6, no 6 there, 6 should be here. 6 in this row, 6 in the second row, so in the third row, the only place for the 6 should be there. And all the 6's are used, I can see, yes, alright. 1 in this column, 1 in the third column, so the column between, the only place for the 1 should be here. 1 number left in the second column for the number 8. 8 we have. 1, 2, 3, number 4. 4 is missing. 2 missing numbers in this big square for the numbers 5 and 8. We have a 5 here, no 5 there. 5 should be here, and 8 goes there. 1 missing number in the third column for the number 7, I believe, yes. Then 5 in this row, 5 in the middle row, so in the row above, the only place for the 5 should be there. 2 missing numbers in this row for the numbers 7 and 4. We have a 4 here, no 4 there. 4 should be here, and the 7 goes there. 1 missing number in this big square for the number 8. 4 in this column, 4 in that column, so in the middle column. The only two places for the 4 should be here or there, but I see here 4, no 4 there, 4 should be here. Two missing numbers in this big square for the numbers 8 and 4. We have a 4 now, so no 4 there, 4 should be here, and the 8 goes there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 is missing in this column, and the 7 is missing in this column. We see here 7, no 7 there, 7 should be here, and the 5 goes and there. Two missing numbers in this big square, the 5 and the 8. We see here 5, no 5 there, 5 should be here, and the 8 goes there. One missing number in the middle column for the number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. The 7 is missing here. Yes. Two missing numbers in this big square, the 8 and the 2. We see here now an 8, so no 8 there. 8 should be here, and the 2 goes there. 8. One missing number in the first row for the number 2. Two missing numbers in the third row for the numbers 8 and 9. We see here an 8, no 8 there. 8 should be here, and the 9 goes there. Two missing numbers in this big square for the numbers 9 and 1. We have a 9 now, so no 9 there. 9 should be here, and the 1 goes there. Here we have 7 and 1. Now we have a 1 there, so no 1 there. 1 should be here, and the 7 goes there. One missing number in the last column for the number 7, and the final number of this big square for the number 5. Finish in 16 minutes. Alright. 3 stars. It's okay. I'm very pleased. Do you think so? Thumbs up. Otherwise, thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching, and I will see you in a minute with this one. Sudoku number 4, the 4 stars. Yes. So thank you again for watching, and see you in a minute. Bye bye for now.